Today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your car registration number plate and insurance on your phone just using your cell phone without using internet or any website. For me to do this video, I want to give authorization to anybody who want to buy a car, and even if nobody is there or if I'm not around to check for you, you can able to use this information to check the registration number plate, whether it is legit or it's not legit, because the registration number plate link with car insurance. So all the time you have to get card successful before you can able to proceed into buy any other car. Welcome to Eric Auto Center. If today is the first time discovering this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to stay updated. Whenever we upload a new video, you get notification to watch and get more information about car and auto enthusiasm. So you are going to pick up your cell phone and you enter into your call log using the keyboard and dial star 920 star. This code is coming from NIC, National Insurance Commission from Ghana, which is the USD code that you are going to use. Star 920 star 57 hash on your cell phone. Then it will bring the first interface that will appear to ask you about the car registration number plate. So I have my car here. I'm using it as an example, which I have dialed GE with capital letters dash 9973-17. Then you can see this interface will open for you, which will bring you the color of the car, the current insurance, the number plate, time for expiration, and time for that the proceed. All these things are there. The current premium, which will give you an up-to-date information. So this is the basic information, the basic tool you have to use whenever you want to check your car history information or car license plate. Yes, this is more information. It all comes from Eric Auto Center, the only channel that outlining you annually vehicle, guarantee you motor vehicle experience as usual. So make sure you share this video, make sure you comment, you like, and then share, subscribe. If you haven't yet subscribed, subscribe. If you are in Ghana here and you want to buy a car and you want to check the license number plate and insurance, use this code, which is coming from National Insurance Commission, NIC. That will give you your authorization to know whether the license plate is legit or it's not legit, whether the insurance is legit or it's not legit. This is what you can do. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. If anything you don't understand in this video, put it in the comment section, and also don't forget to log into ericautocenter.com, which is our website. You can see a lot of blogs. We have write a lot of articles there and give you more information about auto fundamentals, blogs, principles, everything you want to know right there. So make sure you log into www.ericautocenter.com, and the link will put in the video description, so you can also see what we are doing there. It's a good platform, big platform at all times. Locate us on all our social media platforms.